I cannot tell you how many times I have woken up with a bloody nose or so freaking dry I can't even breathe, and then there's like the congestion that comes after that, and I forget every year until it's way too late that your girl needs a humidifier. I grabbed this one this year because it comes in the prettiest colors. The light can actually change that's coming through it. Huge no-no to put your essential oils actually in humidifiers because it can ruin them. Past that by adding this tiny little compartment down here where you can actually add the essential oils onto the pad, make your house smell so freaking. I saw that these are on sale earlier, so I'll leave the link on the screen so you guys can grab your favorite color on sale.